Welcome back to Plants Are Speaking. Are you listening? Today I want to talk to you about the light of truth and plants. This is a rabbit's foot fern. Powerful people are those who are authentic to themselves. Plants are authentic in their forms, their being in the world. Animals, too. Neither one of them lie. People who lie spend a lot of energy continually perpetuating that lie of their life story or whatever it is that they're lying about. A lie doesn't support a healthy body or a healthy nervous system or good mental health for that matter. When you stand in the light of truth, it protects you from harm from other people and other people who are lying about you and other negative energy. A lie is a very heavy negative energy, and it's equivalent to like anger or guilt in that sense. It can't protect you from other negative energies. Only the light of truth can do that. So plants in their being and animals in their being stand in the light of truth because they are authentic in the world. So if you are authentic and living your authentic life, you will find happiness. And the lies that are continually being perpetuated will eventually come to shatter like a glass bubble that surrounds you. Those lies are very weak energy. On the other hand, as I said, truth is a very protective energy. And when that energy shatters, you will begin to see the light of truth, your authentic self. Thanks for listening. Be sure to like, subscribe, or ring the bell for future episodes.